5 items that are worth your money as a nail tech of 10 years. Number 1 should be no surprise. Work Surface Mani Mat from the Nail Hub. I absolutely love this. This will always be in every single one of my favorites videos. In my opinion, this is better than using dental bibs. Dental bibs is a one-time use thing. This is reusable. This you can clean after every single client. And speaking of cleaning and not being able to reuse dental bibs, because that in the long run, you're actually spending more money. This is a one-time purchase. And speaking of cleaning, which leads me into number 2, prevention disinfectant wipes. These have a 1-minute contact time. And if you've been here a hot minute or follow me anywhere else on social media, you have seen me promote these time and time again. This cleans hard and non-porous surfaces. For short explanation, barbicide or Lucicide cleans tools and bits. That has a 10-minute contact time. This is perfect for cleaning something like this or your nail desk, okay? Hard and non-porous surfaces. Now, as we know, nail files should be tossed away after every single service. These are the metal center boards, which can get cleaned and disinfected when using barbicide or Lucicide. Okay, now these are the Expert 20 and Expert 40 files that I personally like to use from Staleks or Staleks, however you want to pronounce it. These are my favorite Staleks nail files at the current moment. And I know the Expert 20, you can also use the donut, but I haven't tried out the donut yet. Number 4, e-files. There's a difference between cheap e-files on Amazon that have the handpiece with really high, heavy vibrations that hurt your hand in the long run, and expensive e-files where the handpiece, like this one, or ones from Medicool, which I've used also, where the handpiece has such low vibrations, it's like night and day. Please invest in a good, high quality e-file. I've used cheap ones from Amazon, and I've used high quality e-files. This one is from Light Elegance. I've also used e-files from Medicool. Also, when investing in e-files, whatever company you choose to purchase an e-file from, and I will always say this time and time again, make sure that company can service and or repair the handpiece and the e-file for you. That is the most important thing. Last but not least, number 5, let's quickly talk about the products that you are going to invest in, what you want to use, whether it is acrylic, gel, polygel, whatever system you want to use. Don't just buy it because it's popular, okay? We all know things come and go so quickly in this nail industry. One minute this thing's popular, next minute that thing's popular. Please don't just buy a system because it's popular. Make sure you do your homework. Do your due diligence. Ask the who, what, where, when, why, and how of that nail system. Make sure that company provides SDS sheets, and make sure they provide education on how to safely use their product line before you invest money into that system. Okay? Don't just buy it because everyone on the internet is using it. Talk to you later now, family. Bye.